Finally, avoid applying for multiple credit cards at once. Each application can result in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. With consistent and responsible use, credit cards can help you build a strong credit history over time. Yes, you can repair your credit on your own without relying on paid services. The first step is to obtain a free copy of your credit report, which you are entitled to once a year from each of the major credit bureaus. Carefully review your report for any inaccuracies, such as incorrect personal information or accounts that don't belong to you. If you spot errors, you can dispute them directly with the credit bureaus, who are required to investigate the issue within 30 days. Next, focus on building positive financial habits that will improve your credit over time. One of the most important steps is to pay your bills on time.